show the budgies, birds here. So these are the budgies. They are from the same flock, and this little budgie has got injury on his breast, just above the belly, and it is very deep wound. And this budgie, he has fever as well. So this bird is hospitalized in my care at my house. So I'm giving him medication. The medication, yes, hi. This bird is receiving twice a day. So to give one side of medication, it takes couple of minutes. Yeah, just come, just come close, come close. This is a budgie. And this is lucky budgie who, yeah, baby. God bless you. Oh my God. Yeah. You see this breast wound? There was open wire of a mineral block. It actually got direct pierced in the skin, and there was very deep wound. And for since 4 to 5 days, this bird was suffering, and he was still bleeding, and that's why the owner decided to give in my care for his treatment. And this bird is very young. This bird is actually this bird got lucky, and she has survived. Just come close. I'm just gonna give him oral medication now. String, take that. Such a good bird. Oh my baby. Oral medication given. I'm gonna leave him inside just to feel a little bit of comfortable. And yeah, the bird swallowed the medicine. I'm going to take him out. Huh? This budgie's name is Sky. Sky. Yeah, it's okay. Let's go. Let's go. Good bird. It's an antibacterial and antiparasitic uh, liquid for disinfecting the wound, for the prevention of any spread of uh, infection and bacteria. Yeah. Now we apply the ointment. See this? A lot of necessary first aid set in this. I always keep on my hand. Yeah, you're gonna be fine, huh? So I'm gonna have to do the dressing of this bird. I'm gonna bandage the bird's this injured part. Yeah, temporary this bandage, and this bird is gonna still receive oral medication therapy a couple of days, and after 7 to 10 days he's gonna go back to his home after fully not after 80% of recovery is gonna go, and 20% medication will be at house. The owner had difficulty in medicating this bird. When they tried to medicate, and he got more injury on this breast, and it was bleeding. Yeah. Okay, sweet fella. Come here. Buddy, huh? You're gonna be fine. Alright. Look at those beautiful eyes of this bird. They feel pain, they feel happiness, they have emotions, they have feelings. This bird actually knows that I'm helping her, and that's why you see that bird is very much relaxed. I'm opening my hands. See this? Yeah. Okay. You can go in your house now. You can go in your cage now. Oh my God. This bird's feathers have this hatched Since the day this bird is hatched and he has that issue deformed feathers, but this bird is lucky to find a very nice, loving, and caring house. The owner loves all these birds so much. They don't want to see them in pain and suffering. Wow, beautiful birds. Just look at them.